Hey, it's Jeremy from Oxner Insurance. Hope you're having a great day. Quick little video on garage keepers for garage liability policies. So that could be an automotive repair shop, a body shop, an auto dealer, anybody that has the care, custody, and control of another vehicle. And the garage keepers basically intends to buy back the collision coverage that's excluded because of the care, custody, and control. And so in the garage keeper coverage for the physical damage of the customer's car, there's three different types. There's legal liability, there's direct primary, and there's direct excess. Not access, because you don't want people to have access to the cars while they're in your care, custody, and control. That's something to take care of to secure the cars. So legal liability is if there is an incident while the customer's car is in your care, custody, and control, there has to be a legal cause. Like, for example, your employee took the car in a test drive and ran into another dump truck, for example, and damaged the car. You would have legal liability for that. But think of this scenario where you have direct primary or legal liability. Let's say you're juggling direct primary or legal liability. Well, under direct primary, there's no legal liability requirement. So let's say that the cars were secured at your facility and somebody got in and stole a car anyway and damaged it. Let's say it caused a $60,000 loss of this nice vehicle that you were working on. The direct primary is going to pay even though you didn't have legal responsibility because you had secured the vehicle. Now think of the claim scenario where you have legal liability. You are not legally liable. But what does your customer think? Because at the end of the day, in repair shops, body shops, and even at dealerships, emissions testing facilities, reputation is everything. Reputation. Don't we all want a good reputation? But in those types of businesses specifically, a reputation, a positive reputation, can add to your profit margins. So if you have legal liability, the customer's car was in your care, custody, and control, but you weren't legally liable for the situation and the claim, the only way that you're going to make them whole is if you have direct excess and the customer's policy never is in place or it doesn't have enough coverage. So direct liability is going to give you the coverage that takes care of the client, whether you're legally liable or not. It's of our opinion that direct liability is probably, direct primary is probably a better coverage to have because you control the claim, you take care of the customer through your coverage, the customer's made whole, and that customer experience and your reputation is intact. So we hope that that's a great little summary for you to chew on as far as legal liability, direct primary, or direct excess. Direct primary does cost a little bit more usually. However, think of that positive reputation and the customer's experience if there was a claim and their vehicle was needing to be replaced. So we hope that's helpful. And if you have any further questions, we certainly are happy to have a conversation with you. Feel free to click the link in the bio, reach out at oxnerinsurance.com. And thank you so much. And here's to your profitability and success for your repair shop, your auto body shop, your emissions testing, and your dealership. Have an amazing day.